Ready? Association, an official group of people who have joined together for a particular purpose. Council, a group of people who are elected to govern an area such as a city or a district, etc. Bar, the profession of a barrister, a lawyer in a higher court. Stoicism, the fact of not complaining, showing what you are feeling when you are suffering. Perseverance, the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Tolerance, the, the willingness to accept somebody or something, especially opinions or behavior that you may not agree to, or people who are not like you. Reticence, the trait of being uncommunicative. Epilogue, a speech, etc., at the end of a play, book, or film movie that comments on or acts as a conclusion to what has happened. Bibli- uh, Bibliography, a list of books of article about a particular subject or by a particular author. Soliloquy, a dramatic speech monologue. Episode, an event, a situation or a period of time in somebody's life, a novel, etc., that is important or interesting in some way. Incident. Incorrigible, having bad habits which cannot be changed or improved. Incurable. Optimistic, expecting good things to happen or something to be successful. Positive. Indefatigable, never giving up or getting tired of doing something. Notorious, well known for being bad. Pathology, the scientific study of disease. Phili- Philology means the scientific study of the development of language or of a particular language. Psychology, the scientific study of the mind and how it influences behavior. Virology, the scientific study of viruses and diseases caused by them. Eavesdropper, Eavesdropper means a person who listens secretly to what other people are saying. Ape, a person who tries to get secret information about another country, organization, or person, especially somebody who is employed by a government or the police. Detective, a person, especially a police officer whose job is to examine crimes and catch criminals. Emissary, a person who is sent to deliver an official message from one country to another or to perform a special task. Envoy. Anarchist, a person who believes that laws and governments are not necessary. Monarchist, a person who believes that a country should be ruled by a king queen. Autocrat, a ruler who has complete power. Naxalite, a member of a group who believes in political revolution order to change the system of how land is owned. Euphemism. Euphemism means an indirect word phrase that people often use to refer to something embarrassing or unpleasant. Truism, a statement that is clearly true and does not add anything interesting or important to a discussion. Favoritism, the act of unfairly treating one person better than others because you like him better. Altruism, the fact of caring about the needs and happiness of other people more than your own. Parricide, parricide, the crime of killing your father, mother, or a close relative. Pat- Patricide, the crime of killing your father. Matricide, the crime of killing your mother. Homicide, the crime of killing somebody deliberately murder. Gregarious, gregarious, liking to be with other people, sociable, living in groups. Sociable, enjoying spending time with other people. Gregarious, carnivorous, animals that eat meat. Social, sociable, marked by friendly companionship with others. Boulevard, a wide city street often with trees on either side. Boudoir, a woman's small private room or bedroom. Avenue, a street in a town or city. Facade, the front of a building. Sacrilege, an act of treating a holy thing or place without respect. Profanity, behavior that shows a lack of respect for God or holy things. Sedition, the use of words, action that are intended to encourage people to oppose a government. Insurrection. Slander, a false spoken statement intended to damage the good opinion people have of somebody. Fungus, any fungus means any plant without leaves, flowers or green colors. Green coloring, usually grown on other plants on decaying matter. Bacteria, bacteria means the simplest and smallest forms of life. Amobia, a very small living creature that consists of only one cell. Virus, a living thing too small to be seen without a microscope that causes infectious disease in people, animals and plants. Voracious, greedy, eating or wanting large amounts of food. Avaricious, extreme desire for wealth. Carnivorous, animals that eat meat. Omnivorous, eating all types of food. Omnivorous, eating all foods or food or eating all types of food. Dominion, dominion means an area of land controlled by one ruler. Colony, a country or an era that is governed by people from another more powerful country. Country, an area of land that has or used to have its own government and laws. Municipality, a town, city or district with its own local government. Synagogue, a building where the Jews meet for religious worship and teaching. Cathedral, the main church of a district under the care of bishop. Chapel, a small building room used for Christian worship in a school, prison, large private house, etc. Demagogue, a political leader who tries to win support by using arguments based on emotion rather than reason. Stoic. Stoic means a person who is able to suffer pain or trouble without complaining, showing what he is feeling. Ascetic, not allowing yourself physical pleasures, especially for religious reasons. Esoteric, likely to be understood or enjoyed by only a few people with a special knowledge or interest. Skeptical, having doubts that a claim or statement is true or that something will happen. Theology, the study of religion and beliefs. Theocracy, government of a country by religious leaders. Theosophy, a religious system of thought that tries to know God by means of meditation, prayer, etc. Theosophy means a religious system of thought that tries to know God by means of meditation, prayer, etc. Theism, belief in the existence of God. Autopsy. Autopsy means an official examination of a dead body by a doctor in order to discover the cause of death post-mortem. Biopsy, the removal and examination of tissue from the body of somebody who is ill sick in order to find out more about his disease. Investigation, an official examination of the facts about a situation, crime, etc. Surgery, medical treatment of injuries or diseases that involves cutting, opening a person's body and often removing or replacing some parts. Novice, a person who is new and has little experience in a skilled job or situation. Chaplain, a priest or other Christian minister who is responsible for the religious needs of people in a prison, hospital, etc., or in the armed forces. Mason, a person who builds using stone or works with stone. Artisan, a person who does skilled work making things with his hands. Craftsman. Truant, a child who stays away from school without permission. Pedant, a person who is too concerned with small details or rules, especially while learning or teaching. Supplicant, a person who asks, especially God or a powerful person, for something in a humble way. Mendicant, living by asking people for money and food. Genocide. Genocide means the murder of a whole race or group of people. Patricide, the crime of killing your father. Parricide, the crime of killing your father, mother, or a close relative. Matricide, the crime of killing your mother. Secular means living among ordinary people rather than in a religious community. Communist, a person who believes in or supports living together and sharing possessions and responsibilities. Socialist, a person who believes in or supports the belief that everyone has an equal right to share a country's wealth and that the government should own and control the main industries. Capitalist, a person who supports the fact that a country's business and industry are controlled and run by private owners rather than by the government. Archive, a collection of historical documents or records of a government, a family, a place, or an organization, the place where records are stored. Museum, a building in which objects or artistic, cultural, historical, or scientific interest are kept and shown to the public. Shelf, a flat board made of wood, metal, glass, etc., fixed to the wall or forming part of a cup Board, closest, bookcase, etc. for things to be placed on. Cellar, an underground room often used for storing things. Concubinage. Concubinage means living together without being legally married. Marriage, the legal relationship between a husband and wife. Equipage. Equipage means equipment and supplies of a military force. Lineage, the series of families that somebody comes from, originally ancestry. Red tapism. Red tapism is the system of strictly following official formalities. Stop.